Hey guys, it's your girl, Tete, and for today's video, as you can see from the title, I'll be showing you how to resize your mesh dome caps, you guys. So no more baggy wigs. I'm gonna show you how to resize your caps before you start making your wigs. So stay tuned, let's get right to the video. Catch me when I fall. So let's get right into the video. So I'm working with a 21 block head, and you're definitely going to need your mesh dome cap. I like to use mesh dome caps. That's actually one of my favorite caps to use whenever I'm making my wigs. So you guys, this technique, I guarantee that your wigs will be snatched. Like, you won't even need elastics to go on your wigs in order to get your wigs tight. You'll get a perfect fit. So let's get right into it. So for this client, you're gonna measure from the front of the head to the nape. So for my client, her measurement, it's a 12. So from the front of her head to the nape, it's a 12. So I mark the section off at the front. You start with 0, and then you bring the measuring tape to the back of the head, and you're going to stop at 12, and then you're going to mark that area off with your T-pins. So now we're gonna measure from ear to ear. So for my client, from ear to ear, it's 11.5 inches. So we're gonna grab our measuring tape again, and we're gonna mark off 11.5 inches. So I start doing it this way because, like, I don't know how to explain. Like, I'm standing in front of the mannequin, but I want it to be even because you don't want one side to be crooked, you know what I mean? So you want it to be even. So anyways, I'm starting from here, this ear, which is 0, and I'm gonna stretch the measuring tape to the other ear, and I'm gonna bring it over to 11.5 inches, and I'm gonna mark it off with my T-pin. So now you guys, now that we've marked or territory with our T-pins, we're gonna add the mesh dome cap. So the part with the V, that should definitely be at the back of the head, and the part with the 2 lines should be at the front. So we're gonna, those areas that we marked off with our T-pins, that's the area we're gonna start. That's pretty much like the hairline, if you know what I mean. So you're gonna put the wig cap, the mesh dome cap, at that exact spot, and then you're going to put the T-pin back in that same area there. So we're going to do that all the way around. So guys, now that we've put the cap on the head using the measurements that I've received from my client. You see all that space? So if I didn't resize the wig cap, you guys, that will be all the excessive space on on her wig, and that would be really big and uncomfortable. So what I'm doing, I'm just pulling the wig cap forward gently because you don't want to stretch it too much, right? You don't want to stretch it too much. So just gently pull it forward, and it should look like this. So as you can see, everything is flat. So when the client puts the wig on her head, that's how it's gonna fit. It's gonna be snatched. It's gonna fit perfectly. And that's what we want. So what I'm gonna do here, we're gonna sew this down. So we're gonna sew this area down, and just watch and see. This is exactly how I do it. around. I'm just gonna remeasure the cap just to ensure that the measurements are intact, although I know it's intact because I did it. No need to brag, but I'm just joking, you guys. I'm just remeasuring just so you can see that this actually works and the measurements are in place 100%. So now you can go ahead, make your wig just the way how you would normally do it. So that's it. That's all for now, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell and leave a comment in the comment section below. Let me know what other content you want to see next. Stay blessed and keep motivated. Thanks for watching.